Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free XHAMSTER tokens in 2025. So as you can see, I got tons of tokens, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so first thing we need to do is go to our browser, and we're just going to go to this website right here. So the website is called hexmods.com. They have all the mods for apps and games. So once you're here, just type in XHAM. And as you can see, we got the XHAMSTER mod, so go ahead and press on it. It's going to start downloading. So once this downloads, guys, you're going to have unlimited tokens in 2025. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and load here, as you can see. All right. So once it's done, guys, we now have to see this thing. It says, please download missing files. So there's all these apps here, so we got to get 2 of them. So Travel Town says reach level 10, so just press on it, press continue. Brings you to the store, download it, press play, open it up, and you just want to reach level 10, guys. Now, I'm not sure if you'll have Travel Town, but that's a really good one that I did personally. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. Now, there are, of course, other apps. We've got Merge Gardens, where we got to reach level 9. Just press on it. Press continue, brings you to the store, download it, reach level 9. So just do whatever you want to do, guys. I don't discriminate. But that's how to get free XHAMSTER tokens in 2025. As you can see, I got 69,000 tokens. That's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in getting free tokens. All you got to do is download 2 of these apps. There is a video to watch if you're confused. So you can always watch that if you need help. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because it's super cool, guys. Totally works. So yeah, get the word out. This is epic, guys. So yeah, going to see you in another video. Tell your friends about it. Peace out, bro.